Cut it and then jam up. No, I'm going to cut it and then jam me up. You're going to jump you on the like tree. No, man, we're going to tie this up. We're going to tie this. Cut this up. Yeah. You cut this up. Because when you cut this up, you can jack back so and you go jack back so.
Yeah.
Jamaican farmers.
Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Alright, yeah man.
Oh, alright. So you do the video in then? No worry, no worry. Yes, my viewers, you don't know it's all about. We want to cut down a tree, you know. So, see right now, it's a dry tree. We have a big rope, you know. We have a big rope here. Yeah? We tie the tree and we tie it. So we are going to dry it now and tie it. That's when we cut the dry tree. Yeah. When we cut the dry we pull the dry tree to it, you know. So yes, my viewers, I hit a go on here now. It's with the pan. Yeah, so check the man with the sauce, see if him good to go. Alright?
Alright.
This dry tree here. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a better view. Yeah. Try to kill the tree to that's my plant can grow, you know what I mean? Yeah. So right about now it's all about I'm gonna give you a view of the tree to show you where the tree heading to. The tree is leaning to my house. As you can see. You see it? Tree is leaning to my house. Here the thing is now. My window them are gonna leak out, you understand? So here I go on this morning, me dey here and the breeze a blow hard. I'm here, puck up and me check. Show you what they go on. See Salim? Yeah man, the Salim they broke off but it itch up. So right now, we'll cut it down. Yeah, we'll cut it off. We'll cut down the tree. So before we cut down the tree, tie a rope up there, you know, to hold it. Yeah man, me have a cameraman all the way from Miami to come interview me and cutting this tree. Yeah man. See it? Yeah. KASHA the miller.
Yeah man.
And we have the original man now with the tool. He's saying he is not a salmon. You know what I mean? He's a cutter. Yeah. Scene. Aye. Alright. So yes, if you see the rope there. The rope that my viewers. I don't hang with hang. We not hang with self. We not hang with the hang with self. No, yeah? Alright, so look what's going on, alright? Yeah. Every tree jump on me. Yeah, so these are the sawbass. Because we no sawman. So it's a tree. Yes. So this are the saw. You jar and start it. And then put your tree. Don't make it touch you. Yes.
Practically.
So these are the gas, these are the mixture. So we're going to mix here now and show you now. Right? To be continued.
Alright.
It's a crossway.
Crossway.
Yes, my viewers. So as you can see the rope here. Yeah? We have to go dry it. Tie it somewhere.
Look like we walk.
That good. Oh. Yeah. Boy. The only weight from over this are the one who way up at the top and what they can't cut. Oh shit. Put some man for a rope here.
That me I say.
You don't want to cut to the job, me and you and free to give me back the money. What you saying? You don't want to cut it and the job. No, I'm going to cut it and the job me up. You going to job you and free like tree. No man, we going to tie this up. We going to tie this. You want to jump on it, me stiff it some more.
Yeah, when I Hulk draw them. Hulk at them. Two Hulk. Hulk them.
Yeah.
Hulk them.
Again.
Hulk them.
Hold on. What? Three.
Hulk them. No,
That's
sir.
like ice enough.
No.
We shall walk on we. Alright. One next story now, you know. You know what I'm cutting and that limb broke it up. Where the pan? Yeah. That's how I'm put it on the big limb. That's how I'm put it on the big limb there.
Yes, viewers and subscribers. It's Jamaica's Farmers Hut, and we got to don't know ever slick in the atmosphere.
Yeah.
And the great Mr. Weather, aka Sawboss. Yeah, man.
Oh, taller than that, baby. Sharp, you know that's sharp, but can't reach a little height.
I may say, alright, you see, cause if you go up so now, you let that can't reach so far, you know?
Oh, that climb go up it now, tell us when I cut it.
So what you say, you go stand up in that crutch?
Yeah, man.
In that crutch, you choose to stand up.
That crutch dry tree, that's the one. A dry tree, you know, man. I'm going to fire on it. You must say, you are the Sawboss, you know, so you have to back to that again. So, where you look from? Run your stuff? Yeah, that might say if I for growing it, so clear out. Yeah, mash it. Yeah. Mash it, man, I work with time, you know.
You know, say I ever slick that? Grab me that one of those shoes. So we're going for the last now, aka machete, to do the job here on Jamaica's Farmers Hut.
When we work, we don't get no cut.
That's enough.
Yeah, so. Yeah, we go too high, too low. Huh? We do what needs to be done. There is no but.
Yeah. This is how we use a machete on Jamaica's Farmers Hut. See?
You know, I cut down everything fast because then tree that kind of guard my farm away.
Yeah.
Guard my farm, that's why the man will walk around this.
Precisely.
Yeah, so. Home for that. Up top, so anyway, up top. So what may I say? If you cut yourself, you go drop from this side.
Mm-hmm.
So you go, theoretically.
But
Yo.
the practically is probability.
Hey, listen, you're already too big. Listen, you go cut out one V yourself.
Yeah,
And then you cut this up.
yeah.
You cut this up. And when you cut this up, you can drop back so and you go drop back so.
Yeah.
I think I'll go on YouTube for that. Find out.
Oh God!
Yeah, man. Yeah, I think you have to belly it
You
first
cut
still.
out a V yourself.
Yeah, you have to
want
belly it.
drop so, you know.
Yeah. Yeah,
Cut
and then
out a V yourself.
you start chopping from the back.
That's not for growing this one. Yeah, my viewers, them tree I kind of guide me farm. That's no animal no go in, but you have to go in on it, you know.
Mm-hmm. For now.
Yeah, come on, the Sawboss a clearance. Going can work.
I don't start chopping like the sun start shining.
I saw you guys
Yeah,
bless him.
man.
You tell say, ask Prince something tell him say. I God talk to him this morning on the reach, you know.
Yeah.
So when God talk to him, if he answer, brother.
I told him to talk to him.
Alright, sir.
Yes,
There you
man.
go. Alright, so you go cut out a V here, so. Because you want it to drop this way. And then now your bust this up, come down. So that means say, half it go so.
Yeah.
Style and pattern. See, so when we are cut tree, we know which part we drop it. So we want the tree to drop this up.
Over
See?
there, so.
Yeah. Watch which part it go drop.
Alright. See it, yeah? Alright.
No, man, I want to go on.
Look now. See if it's a Sawboss go bash, he go rise up.
Ready, I know.
Alright. Yes, Ja.
You go careful around here.
Yeah, man.
a Prince.
You know, me not catch it.
Rotted, yo! We don't start cut it.
Rotted. Yo, me not catch it.
Mr. Moore, I mean I catch you. I run here run. Yo, trust me. I run here run, brother.
Rotted.
Yo, I right drop, brother.
Don't smell my mouth.
I right drop. What do you mean you don't catch you, brother? You're away from Miami, me out there from the country video already. Mr. Moore, I mean you don't catch you. I run here run. Yo, trust me. I run here run, brother. Yo, I right drop, brother.
Don't smell my mouth.
I right drop. What do you mean you don't catch you, brother? You're away from Miami, me out there from the country video no virgin. And you're not easy, brother. One window plane broke. My God, it better one window plane broke. And look here, the rope is still intact. One window blade broke. The rope is still intact. And which part the rope tie broke, but when you drop it broke. Yeah, my viewer, see there? The rope is still intact. Yeah, the rope is still intact, my viewers. Yeah, but as you can see, Mr. Cameraman from Miami. I carry this man all the way from Miami. You know? Yes, put him on this project.
Yes.
And this man is telling me that he don't catch when the tree is coming down. Eh? Tell me now, should I pay this guy? I'm gonna send him back to America without his pay. Alright? So right about now,
Next time.
I don't want to take it like that.
if I want to take it in by, I'm sorry for you. Right about now, and look here now, my viewers. At this little piece of tick, you know, it just get out of the way. I don't know how it come out of the way, you know. It just come out of the way and come broke this little glass.
I don't really want that.
Yes, but guess what now, my viewers? You better the one glass broke, because guess what? The whole thing did go drop on the house. My God. Yeah, man, good job.
Aye.
Good job.
Next time we'll catch that when it is falling.
You can't tell me you don't catch that, how you don't catch it?
Why? We get scared.
No, man. But me never know it that drop so quick.
I don't never know that job so quick here.
I see the sawbass kind of dust up, you know. No, man. Go back and check again, man. I can't believe so you know catch a tree when the tree they drop.
Alright, guess what? Make it sure you come together and put it back up
Listen,
again.
yes, we're going to put back this tree up.
Come, Mr. Prince.
Come. We're going to put back the tree up. We're going to put back the tree up. We're going to put back the tree up to see what's going on here because the tree dropped. You know, we're trying to drop this tree here, but you know, the guy never catch the tree when the tree is falling.
Why?
And I don't know, I set this guy, contract with this guy from all the way from Miami.
Yeah.
And this guy's telling me don't catch it on video. My God, this camera guy here all the way from Miami. Yeah. But guess what? Good cut.
Yeah, good cut.
Yeah, man, good cut. Yeah, my viewers. Eh? Yes, the rope, magnificent, man. Awesome, I tell you. The rope is still intact. So is the rope hold it, you know? If I never the rope, it'll go back to the house. Yes, my viewers. Peace and love, my viewers. Big up on yourself, Jamaican Farmers Zot. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to see more tree fall, alright? Cool. Yeah, what go on now, my viewers? We cut the tree. We try to video the tree dropping from out of the sky. And the guy, the photographer, miss it. Hear what the man say, because right now me give him a drink of roots. And hear what the man say. What you say now?
Probably for the drink is before a tree that we'll catch a video up on camera. Probably for the drink is before a tree that we'll catch a video up on camera. Video up on camera.
You hear that, my viewers? Trust me, man. I tell you.